Learn about letter, how to write letter. Huh?
Good afternoon, sir. I have a gift for you.
Do you have any letter for me?
Yes.
Okay, let me find what he has for me. Okay, getting letter is very special, but he today gave me a letter. Okay, let me see what I have. All right. Oh my God, how beautiful it is. You can see it's a beautiful picture portraying on village, and it has a beautiful house, yellow house, green plants, birds, and the beautiful sun. Wow, thank you very much. You are a great artist. I'm so happy that one day you will become a great artist. Thank you very much, Shokcho.
Yes, sir.
And this picture is just such a wonderful. Hi, Anurna, is it good?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Amrita, is it good? It's beautiful, huh?
Very good.
Fine? Everyone, huh? So thank you very much. Thank you very much, Shokcho. I'm really happy, appreciate for the gift that I have received. Thank you. Cheers.